Hello students, Mr. Young here with instructions on how to basically apply to be president of the student government, how to enter yourself as a candidate into the election. So you probably found a link somewhere, either in announcements or an inbox, or maybe you're just wondering here on the student government site, and that will take you to a very clearly worded module right in here. It'll probably be linked on the front page as well. Come here to announce your candidacy in the 2018 election module. Go ahead, take a click on that, and we're keeping it real simple. To run, you're going to make a 90-second video on Flipgrid. All you have to do, this video, when it's completed, will be chilling up here. All you have to do is click on the link for Flipgrid here, and it'll say, shh, this grid is locked. If you simply click login with Google, I have it set up so that it will log you in with your school domain. So make sure you pick your email address that has the @palx.org in it. And that should do the trick. That will take you right to the thread. You can see I already made a video with tips and tricks on what this video is like. It's basically the instructions for the 90-second video. So I would go ahead and watch that if I were you. Oh, there I am. It's a 90-second video just like the one you're going to make. And then when you're ready to make your own video, merely click the plus sign and it'll take it away. Your webcam will come on and you'll be ready to go and make your 90-second video. I strongly advise you to watch this, as it is basically the instructions for what to say in your video and how to have a successful, run for president. So that's it for now. Go ahead and click on that link, the Flipgrid link, and that'll get you started. All right, best of luck.